Have you ever wondered how you can make your money work for you effortlessly? Welcome to the era of financial automation, where technology simplifies wealth management, making it accessible to everyone. In this journey through Automate Your Wealth, Tools for Financial Efficiency, we'll uncover the top tools that can transform the way you handle your finances. Whether you're starting out or looking to fine-tune your financial strategy, these insights will pave your path to a more efficient financial future. Understanding financial automation. Financial automation is like having a personal finance assistant working 24/7 for you. It's about utilizing technology to handle repetitive financial tasks. Think of it as putting your money management, from scheduling bill payments to auto-adjusting your investment portfolio. Financial automation ensures that your finances are managed consistently and effectively. It's not just about saving time, it's about making smarter financial decisions. By reducing human error and emotional biases, automated tools can help you stick to your financial goals. Embrace this technological revolution and watch as it brings more precision. Budgeting tools. Imagine having a tool that not only tracks your expenses, but also helps you stick to your financial goals. That's what budgeting tools do. These digital wizards take the guesswork out of managing your money. By categorizing your expenses and showing where every penny goes, they provide a clear picture of your financial health. Some even offer personalized insights and alert you when you're nearing your spending limits. Whether you're saving for a vacation or trying to cut down on unnecessary expenses, these tools can be your guide, ensuring that you stay on track with your financial objectives. Embrace these budgeting tools and take the first step towards a more organized financial future. Investment apps. Investment apps are revolutionizing how we grow our wealth. Gone are the days of needing a personal broker or a deep understanding of the stock market. These apps offer a user-friendly platform where you can manage your investments with just a few taps on your phone. Many come with automated features like robo-advisors that tailor your portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Some even allow for fractional share purchasing, making it easier to invest in high-value stocks with smaller amounts of money. By making investing accessible and straightforward, these apps open the door to financial growth for everyone. Debt management solutions. Tackling debt can be daunting, but with automated debt management solutions, it becomes a less stressful task. These tools help you create a streamlined plan to pay off your debts, often starting with the highest interest rates first. By automating your debt repayment, you ensure consistent progress without having to worry about manual payments each month. Many of these solutions also provide insights into how different repayment strategies can affect your overall financial timeline, empowering you to make informed decisions. With these tools, you're not just paying off debt, you're strategically working towards financial freedom. Start using a debt management tool and take a significant step towards a debt-free life. Credit score monitoring. Keeping an eye on your credit score is crucial, and automated credit score monitoring tools make it effortless. These tools provide regular updates on your credit score and alert you to any significant changes. This constant vigilance is essential for spotting potential errors or fraudulent activities early on. Some of these services also offer advice on how to improve your score, like reducing your credit utilization or fixing inaccuracies on your credit report. By keeping track of your credit score, you're maintaining a key aspect of your financial health. Tax preparation software. Tax season doesn't have to be a headache. With automated tax preparation software, filing your taxes becomes a smooth and error-free process. These programs guide you through the complexities of tax laws and deductions, ensuring you get the maximum refund possible. They're updated yearly to reflect any tax law changes, so you're always compliant with the latest regulations. Plus, many offer direct e-filing with the IRS, making the submission process quicker and more convenient. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just looking to streamline your personal taxes, these tools can be a game changer. Say goodbye to the stress of tax season and hello to hassle-free tax filing. Retirement planning tools. Planning for retirement might seem like a distant goal, but with automated retirement planning tools, it's a goal that's easier to achieve. These tools help you estimate how much you need to save, taking into account factors like inflation, expected retirement age, and lifestyle preferences. They can automatically adjust your savings rate or suggest changes to your investment strategy to keep you on track. Some even link to your investment accounts, providing a holistic view of your retirement savings. By using these tools, you're not just saving money, you're strategically preparing for a comfortable and secure retirement. Expense tracking applications. Ever wonder where all your money goes each month? Expense tracking applications are here to answer that. By automatically categorizing your expenditures, these apps provide a clear insight into your spending habits. You can set budgets for different categories and get alerted when you're close to exceeding them. Some apps even offer features like receipt scanning and warranty tracking, adding another layer of convenience to your financial management. By having a clear understanding of your spending, you're better equipped to make informed financial decisions. Start tracking your expenses with one of these applications and gain a deeper understanding of your financial patterns. Automated savings plans. Automated savings plans are your silent partner in building your financial future. By setting up automatic transfers to your savings account, you're effectively paying yourself first. This method ensures that you consistently save a portion of your income before you even have the chance to spend it. Many banks and financial institutions offer various automated savings options, some even rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar and saving the difference. This approach to savings removes the temptation and forgetfulness that often accompany manual saving methods. Embrace an automated savings plan and watch your nest egg grow effortlessly. Insurance optimization tools. Insurance is a crucial part of financial planning, and with insurance optimization tools, managing your policies becomes a breeze. These tools help you compare different insurance options, ensuring you get the best coverage for your needs at the most competitive price. They can also alert you to potential overlaps or gaps in your coverage, allowing you to adjust your policies accordingly. By automating the process of monitoring and adjusting your insurance, you not only save time but also ensure that you and your assets are adequately protected. Invest in an insurance optimization tool and take a smart step towards comprehensive financial protection. Estate planning software. Estate planning is an essential yet often overlooked aspect of financial management. With estate planning software, this complex task becomes more manageable. These tools guide you through the process of creating wills, trusts, and other essential documents, ensuring that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. They can also help you understand the tax implications of different estate planning strategies, allowing you to make the most efficient decisions. By automating your estate planning, you're not just securing your financial legacy, you're also providing peace of mind for yourself and your loved ones. Start using estate planning software today and take a proactive step towards securing your family's future. As we've explored, automating your finances is not just a luxury. It's a necessity in today's fast-paced world. By leveraging the tools we've discussed, from budgeting apps to estate planning software, you're equipping yourself with the resources to manage your wealth more efficiently and effectively. Remember, financial automation is about making smart choices today that will pave the way for a brighter, more secure tomorrow. Embrace these tools, and you'll be amazed at how much simpler and more rewarding managing your finances can be. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial efficiency. If you found these insights helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Money Magnify. Together, let's explore, learn, and grow on our path to financial freedom.